So quite often, as I was saying to you, it's just a 4-bar loop that I arrange. However, I do have a couple of like set pieces as well, which is more like, I know I want it to play in this certain way. So I've just made pattern variations to that effect and I kind of move through them. I don't do it so much, but there are just certain moments in the set where I definitely want that to happen. There are certain times when I just like, I want to count on it being a certain way. That's not to say that it's rigid. I can still stay in any of these sections for as long as I want to. I can like move through them as well. It's also a good opportunity to show you one of the sort of crazier sound design things I do with the scenes. This as well, you'll notice that all of the tracks are just on, right? And that's because the way that I've done this is subtractively taken out the elements that I don't want to be in some of the patterns, right? So let's start. Anyway, it starts with this vocal. But then when I start moving the scenes across, moving to 3 now. Right, see what happens when I start moving the scene